How to remove saved login on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to remove saved login from your Instagram account, then open Instagram and you will be led to this type of interface. Here, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for remove profiles from this device. Tap on it and you will be able to see all the profiles that you are connected to in this particular device. So in order to remove them, simply navigate to the profile that you want to remove and you will then see the option for remove. So tap on the remove option you see there, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on remove again, and with this, that particular account will be removed from your device. You can repeat the same process for all the other accounts that you want to delete too. So this was about how you can remove saved login on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.